Hello guys, this is the 1% Forex Club. Welcome to this channel. Here I am right now showing you the HeartBeat strategy. I've already taken some other position, whatever. So I have taken position for HeartBeat strategy. All you need to watch it. So what is the HeartBeat strategy? Right now I'm explaining you. In this window you see it is Great Britain USD and 1 minute chart. So what is HeartBeat? If I explain you, a HeartBeat looks like this type of some graphs. Okay, so that is the HeartBeat. So whenever heart functioning and the graph looks like this, so whenever a market functioning, the whole market looks like the graph like HeartBeat. As you can see here, it's nothing different from the HeartBeat graph. As you can see, bit coming from down here, then going up, then a bit coming down, up, down, up, down. So all of the market runs through making tops and bottoms, and thus it looks like HeartBeat. So today, as you know, it is a unique strategy. So HeartBeat strategy have rules. Pay attention, I am gonna share you the rules. Before that, I'm showing you the indicators taken. You just need a 9 moving average exponential applied to close orange color, and finally you need a 20 exponential moving average that is blue color. So very simple the strategy, but you never ever applied this. So to apply this strategy, you just have to watch the market that is not on a trending mode, but that is in a ranging mode. So here, what is the rules? Here you see the 2 moving average. One is 9, that is orange color, and this is the violet, that is 20 exponential. So to implement this strategy, whenever you take sell or buy, it depends on this 9 moving average. I mean, whenever you see price is hitting up and the price candle not touching the 9 for 1 or 2 candle, then you can take sell. And to take profit, you just have to wait for 20 exponential moving average, or sometime you can take profit much further. If I include here a 50 moving average, so if I include here a 50 exponential, okay, I have to change the color. Okay, if I keep it green, then you could see that is a green color. So whenever you see the price hitting up and it's not touching the 9 moving average, then you can take a sell entries, and then you can expect the price coming back to the 20. So price always follow these rules. If you see here, what you see that from this candle, this is from this candle, okay, from here you see that from this candle it is touching it is near the 9. Then this candle is a distance maintaining from 9, and then finally this is much further or the third candle, third, fourth, or fifth candle that not touching the 9 exponential moving average. So whenever we see that candle not touching 9, then we can wait for next 3 candle, then we take entries for the reverse. I mean, whenever you see price going down but not touching the 9, then you can take a buy and just wait. If you take an entry from here, then you can just wait for see price going there to the 20 moving average, then you have to take profit. So lower spread is mandatory to applying this strategy. As you can see here, my I'm scalping the Great Britain USD. So right at this moment, price touching 9 from this level, price touching 9, but I'm expecting to see it going towards the 20. And the interesting thing of this strategy, if you see price going against you this height, then you can take again the sell. And if you see much further, then you can take again the sell. So that the price coming down, whenever price coming down to 20, by the cost averaging method, you get the profit. So everything I want to show you. So keep eyes on this strategy. So price is now ranging this area and it turns to hitting down. And here, as you can see, it is at $1,600 account and it's growing from Ethereum USD. So this is the Ethereum USD, but I'm not applying this method here. So the entry taken from H4 time frame, and right at this moment I'm not interested to this trading, so I'm taking profit. And I just want to show you the HeartBeat right at this moment. And HeartBeat strategy is also a very, very profitable strategy. If you can follow the rules, it will also be a profitable strategy. You just follow the rules and be smart on trading. So here I'm gonna close all of the things. And here was sell limit. I am also delete this order. Okay, now you can see it's clear that I have taken Great Britain USD for three position, that is 0.1 lot for this 3 position, and right now floating loss is $2. And here if you see the chart here, this is H4. So of course you have to try this strategy just on M1 chart. The HeartBeat strategy only applicable for M1 chart. So right now price is moving down. Okay, it's just touching that 20 level, but still we are not in profit. So I just have to wait to see it to the 50. But price not always moving towards the 50, because from 9 to okay. Okay, right at this moment you see that price is hitting down from our entry point. So here is our profit, and I'm just taking this profit. Okay, you have to be hurry to take profit. So right at this moment I have taken some profit from here, and as you can see price is going down, and it's going down from the 9 moving average, that is orange color. If I take another moving average, that is 200, and of course blue color. You can take your own favor color. So 200 exponential taken. So right at this moment you see the main window like the 1% traders do, and I'm showing you how to scalping using the HeartBeat strategy. This strategy is very powerful if you can apply it. So I'm taking buy from here. Okay, 1, 2, okay, 3. Okay, so you don't need to trade over, because whenever I see that price candle going further from the 9, then I am taking buy position. If I see, as you can see here, this candle is touching toward to this 9 moving average. Okay, I need to zoom. Here you see that the price is now touching towards to the 9. Here orange color is the 9. Then I'm waiting to see price going further, and here you see a gap between this candle, this red candle, and this orange line. Then for the third number of candle you see second candle you see that this gap, and from this third candle you also see this gap. So I can take again buy. Okay, whenever you see new height, I mean gap, new gap, when you found new gap, then you can take an entries. So over trading is not applicable and not recommended. So you have to be smart on this trading, because sometimes you see the long trading, long run, it can going down much further. So you have to wait. So right at this moment I have taken buy entries to see that the price is hitting this level, that is the 9, between 9 and the 20. It will be the take profit area. So I'm just waiting. So as you can see here, our profit is $1,716. I'm just taking 0.1 lot, so I can increase it. Price is now making new highs. As you can see here, the bearish candle is coming down. So if it can cross this area, then I'm taking entries buy. So just waiting to see if the price gonna cross this level. I'm going to take again. Okay, price is now heading upward towards our entry. So we're expecting to see price touching. At first price gonna touch this 9 level, and then it's gonna touch 20, then it could touching the 50, and ultimately it can touch that 200. So let's wait. So as you can see, price is now coming much further from the 9, and it's coming down. So from this side I am taking again a buy entries. Okay, so I could take again. Whenever I see a new height, I will take entries. And also you have to manage your risk. As you can see, we just take 0.1 lot. We are still in risk management rules. and still I'm seeing that uh, price making new height. So price is now making new height, so I'm taking again a buy entry. Okay, so here this window I don't need this indicator, so I'm cutting down. This also no need. I just use volume and the manual chart here to scalping the Great Britain USD. Right now it is the M1 chart, and we are trying to show you how to, the 1% first club traders doing scalping using this HeartBeat strategy. This is the HeartBeat strategy. So right at this moment you see that price is here retracing, and what we show you that the price going to touch this levels. So price is much going down, so price going much down from this level. I'm taking entries. Okay, I'm taking entries 0.5 lot here, buy. So price is now hitting upward, and if you zoom out you can understand. Okay, as you can see here, price is hitting down from this level. Then we take entries because the candlestick is not touching the 9 moving average, and you better not to see next 3 candles, then you should taking entries. Or you can take entries from the first angle, first candlesticks that's not touching the 9, and then gradually you can increase the entries. If you see the price making new highs and goes far away from the 9, you can take entries. So here you see after making a pin bar, price going up and then hitting down again. So price is stay here, not going towards the 9, but right now is momentum going towards 9, and we expecting price going to the 20, and then it may coming towards the 50. Someone can take profit from this 20 level and could take profits from this 50 level. And the main theme of this strategy, whenever you take entries, I mean, as you can see here, I have taken my first entries here, then price make new highs, I take entries here and there, then here, there, here. So whenever you see the new highs, you shouldn't take over entries. You should just wait for see the new highs and take a new entries. So here also making new highs from our entry position, so I can take entries from here for buy. Yes, the price is now hitting much further. Okay, price is hitting down much. Okay, it's reversing towards the upward, and it tends to going near the 20. So here you see it, from 20 we don't have any good profit, we're just in losses. So we just have to see the price going 50 and can cross this level. So here 9 to 20 is the first resistance area, and 20 to 50 is the second resistance area, and 50 to 200 is the third resistance area. So the first resistance area is easy to break, so that as you can see here it is touching 20, price now touching 20. So why we are still profit for some of our trades, but not for all, and you can't expect to take profit for all. You may have seen some of profits are not some of entries are not in profit, but some others are in profit. So by the cost averaging method, plus minus, you see if there is a good profit or you are in profit, you just take profits, because after days, after minutes, after seconds, profit is profit. So take your profits. So right at this moment here, you see here you see it is a $4 profit. So still it is minus $4 profit. Here minus $2 profit. I mean it is loss. But right now I'm waiting to see something that price can cross this 20 and then heading towards the 50. Okay, I'm waiting, and right at this moment you see that price is I'm going to touch the 20, and it could break this level. And as well as you can see here the volume verse, there was a big volume, so price make this big candle. Right at this moment volume is very low, but we are still waiting to see big volumes. Whenever we see here big volumes, then price would going to break this level. As you can see here, forming big volumes, and it's going to touch the 20 EMAs, and it could cross this 20 EMA. This candle growing up, and here the big volume were, and all looks fine. So here is our profit. As you can see, $12 profit. So I can take some profit. Why I'm taking profit? Because price can coming down soon, so I'm taking profits. So I'm gonna taking all and each profits. If here I was in loss on some entries, I also taken them. So that is the HeartBeat strategy. So here you see. Okay, this looks fine. As you can see here, we are right at this moment price touching 50, so I have taken all the profits, and someone can still wait for see the price if it going to 200. And as you can see here, price now going to 200. So those who are waiting for 200 to see the price touching 200, they can still wait and then taking profit then. So as you can see how much profit coming from this strategy. So that is the HeartBeat strategy, the 1% HeartBeat strategy, how the 1% traders doing their trading every day. So one thing I want to tell you that whenever you're scalping on HeartBeat strategy, you need a market that is not trending much. That should be ranging. As you can see, price coming down, coming up, coming down, coming up. So this type of market is ideal for the HeartBeat strategy. And what I missed, that I should take in sell entries on that level, because HeartBeat strategy, as you know, heart never got stopped. It's always beating. Only when we sneezing, heart going to be stopped for some moments, for 1,000 of seconds. Or you can Google it for how much time heart is stopped for sneezing. Whatever, markets sometimes not moving, and this market also works like HeartBeat. As you can see, sometimes candle forming, not forming much, and it not moving for some seconds. So this could happen. Whatever we explaining the HeartBeat strategy, as you can see, whenever we take sell entries, because price going down from this 9 moving average, and right now price going up from this 9 moving average, so I have taken sell, as I want to see, because the common thing is price always following the 9 exponential moving average. So this is a key point. Price always follow 9 EMA. So this is the rules, that price always follow 9 moving average. So price making new highs right now. Price making new highs. So I have taken sell entries. So I have taken 2 sell entries, 0.5 lot. Okay. So as I told you, as you can see from this chart, you see that where the price going, the 9 moving average going that levels. So price follow 9, or 9 follow the price. Okay, that is the main theme of the HeartBeat strategy. So right at this moment, price going down, but if you see here the new height from upper level, then we can take again sell entries, because the price is price making distance from the 9, price not touching the 9 moving average. As you can see here, price hitting upwards, so we're gonna take sell entries again. So I just waiting to see the price going much further, then I take the entry. Or I can take the sell entries for this height. So you better wait for the full candlesticks pattern. Okay, this candle going this levels, I am taking sell. Okay, and I am taking sell again, and I am taking sell again, as I see the price hitting much further. So I'm gonna taking sell again, and you see the beauty of the 1% HeartBeat strategy. This is the beauty. Price going much further, I'm taking sell, and it's making new height, I'm going to sell. So I'm taking opposite entries. As you know here, it's going to be touching 200, so I'm again taking sell. So lots of entries taken. So again another entries. Okay, so huge entries taken, as you can see, and here 100,000 $130 floating loss here. So right at this moment I just have to wait. Okay, price making this new height, I am again taking sell entries. So as you can see here, this is the 9 and this is orange color, but price hitting upwards from this 9 is hitting upward from this 9, and here a gap from the candlesticks and the 9 exponential. So I have taken this entries. So I'm just waiting to see price coming down. Or it can make some new highs. So I have wished to take some more entries. Okay, as you can see, price is hitting new highs, so I'm taking sell again. Okay, and it crossed my first level. Okay. Here you see price again coming down. So whenever you see that the price making distance from the 9 exponential, then you can take the opposite entries. So I'm taking again sell. Well, so again sell. So things looking mad, as you can who watch this new method. Most of the viewers can explain it like mad things, but this is not mad. This is a theorem how the price forming. So price is now coming near to the 20. As you see here, it's not still touching 20. After touching 20, it may comes down to the 50. So we just wait to see if price touching this 50 or going much down. And you have to be smart taking entries and exits from this HeartBeat strategy, because over positioning can take away all of your profits. So you have to be smart, and you have to increase your lots and the position gradually after seeing the new highs against the trend, or against the if you see price going towards the 9, towards upward, and it's having gap from the 9, then you should take new entries, and you can gradually add your new entries. So right at this moment, price is here and it's just touching this 20, just crossed this 20, and then price again hitting upwards, but it should coming down. Okay, let's see. As you can see, price again hitting upwards. So here we just have to wait to see if it going down again. So here's the losses: $150, $160, so we just have to wait and keep patience, because price should coming towards the 50 or much further. So just wait and see if it could coming down again. So if you see the price making new highs here, then you can take again sell entries from new height, So, and here you see price coming down and it touching 20, but not yet breaking these levels. So here, as you can see, also the big volume bar, so buyers are in control here. So price could be break this area and going to touch this 50. So we just have to wait what's going on. So dear viewers, you're watching this channel. It is a channel of scalping. It's best for a scalper, not for day trader. But here you will also see some of my videos showing you how to taking entries for long time frame like M30 or H1 or H4. I mean 4 hour time frame. You can watch these videos, but here this 1% channel is dedicated to showing you the strategy of 1 minute chart, and that is the smarter way to grow your account. And right at this moment I'm showing you the most decent strategy, that is the HeartBeat strategy. So here, as you can see, our floating loss $55, and still I am waiting to see the price. Okay, I'm taking profit. You see the big spike, how the price going down, how it's going down. I'm taking all of the profits. Okay, you have to take profits. Okay, you have to take profits, all of the profits. You see $138 right now. How much profit you see? I didn't see the screen how much profit you see on the screen. Please let me know later. So right at this moment I'm taking all the profits. I have no time to see my main screen. I'm just taking the profits. I'm just booking all of my profits. So here I'm busy time passing. As you know, all of my profits are in booked. Okay, so that is the beauty of the 1% HeartBeat strategy. So as you know, it was a $1,700 account, and now it is $1,946. And how much the price came down. So again, I'm taking buy entries from here as much as possible. Okay, I'm taking buy, and I'm taking buy. Well, so price is now stumble on this position. Okay, I'm taking buys. So a great session passing here. As you can see, it was a $1,700, and right now we made it $1,900 within some minutes. As you can see, within some minutes I'm making it. So you also can do this. So, viewers, as you can see here, I have made $1,700 to $2,000. So that's pretty much good flipping of this account using this 1% HeartBeat strategy. So as you can see, price have taken profit from this level. So right at this moment, price going up and it's heading upwards, and now it tends to going down from here. Someone can take entries. Well, and as you know, price action is a good things. You see here what is forming. This is a W shape. If I draw here, this is a W shape. So here, this. So it was a W pattern. It was a W pattern, and here the double bottom. So whenever you see this double bottom, then price hitting upwards. So the price going up. Well, that's it. This is the 1% Forex Club. Wish you good health. You can practice on demo a lot for this strategy. This is really very profitable, and it called the 1% heartbeat strategy. So I hope I explained well. So let's see my let's see my upcoming videos. Till then, wish you good health. Thank you.